Well, this is my wife, around 64, 65 years old, and after the second dose of COVID vaccine, maybe 10 days, a week or 10 days after that, she got COVID. We got the CT scan done and found the level at about 7 or 8, about 12 or something. Since it was a high level, we took her to the emergency. At those times, it was difficult to get the admission, but yet we managed the admission into the hospital and the treatment started, and she was on oxygen. It was taken lightly because we thought, okay, since we've already got the second dose, so we'll be pulling out, but the drop in the level of oxygen was very sudden. Well, we had this Elixir, which was Brother Chand had recommended, and we got Elixir from Delhi, and this was rubbed on her. We used to apply it. The nurse used to apply the thing regularly. We had some maid who do it. So we applied this oil on the chest and back and all. And this was very effective. First bottle I had taken in the hospital only, maybe about for a week. We used it in the hospital. We left the hospital after about a week. And then we continued for about a month.